Hey, good morning, East Texas. Temperatures are in the 60s all across the region, so a warm start, and that's because we've got cloud cover that's on the increase across the area. Let's check out those clouds as we fly you right through the clouds. You see how they kind of popped up out of the screen there for you? You can see the clouds thickening up across the region, maybe a few sprinkles, but we're going to stay mainly dry this morning. But here it comes, folks. Ready or not, it's almost here. Here's our heavy rainmaker. You can see the southerly winds coming up ahead of the system, producing breezy conditions this morning, also pumping in that warmer air. But look at this solid shield of rain that continues to expand near the Red River. That's our rainmaker. We told you about this 2 weeks ago. It would be a heavy rainmaker for us, and that's exactly what's coming together today. A wet weather system that arrives this afternoon here in East Texas, bringing with it the potential of heavy rainfall, and the rain will continue into your Wednesday as well. So this is not a one-and-done system. So let's walk you through this here hour by hour. As we start you off today, again, here come the clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two, but again, for the most part, we're going to stay dry for the first half of the day. So if you have any election things, you need to go out and vote. You need to head on outside and do some outdoor activities. The morning time hours will be dry. By lunchtime, we'll begin to see some scattered showers beginning to stream in from the south and west with that flow. So we'll be tracking a few showers for you at midday today. And then beyond that, here comes that solid shield of moderate to heavy rainfall moving into East Texas by late this afternoon. So your afternoon commute, you will need the rain gear. You won't need it this morning, but this afternoon you will need that rain gear, and this will continue to ooze its way across East Texas during the evening hours and into the overnight hours, and even by Wednesday morning when you wake up. Precision Cast showing us Wednesday morning a solid deck of rainfall still associated across East Texas here, and that rain will stick around at least for the first half of the day across the northern half of the region, and then across deep East Texas, continuing right on into the afternoon hours on your Wednesday. Rain chance to stick around, and look at the temperatures. Struggling to get out of the 50s on our Wednesday. So that stiff northeasterly wind will make it fairly chilly, and we stick with the clouds all the way through Wednesday night. So over the next 24 to 36 hours, Precision Cast has been very consistent with indicating a good widespread 1 to 3 inch soaker across the region, with areas to our south and west here in portions of deep East Texas seeing the potential for over 3 inches of heavy rainfall there in that bullseye. So we'll continue to monitor that for you. So today, Election Day, remember the polls open at 7 a.m. Make sure that you get out there and vote. Here's a look at that forecast again. The first half of the day staying mainly dry with temperatures into the mid-70s, but rain increasing by this afternoon. The rain will continue tonight with lows into the low to mid-50s, and your forecast for your Wednesday, periods of more rainfall, especially the first half of the day with highs into the upper 50s. Here's that 7-day forecast. We get rid of the rain finally by Thursday, staying fairly cool with highs only in the 60s, lows into the 30s and 40s. We'll have a dry front coming through this weekend, ushering in some more cooler air, but no rainfall expected, and by the middle of next week, folks, I'm seeing an Arctic front that could bring us some of the coldest air of the season so far. And that's saying something after this past weekend. But we'll watch that later on and after the rain gets out.
You got to move.
That's it. Just wanted to give you a little heads up, a little hint there.
Arctic?
Arctic.
This early?
I know, I'm telling you.
You know what, though? Again, we've been saying it a million times. Cedric has said colder and wetter, and it's on the way.
That's true. So we'll hope that sticks around through us through the winter. So,
Cedric, thanks. Your time.